Are you tired of the same old recipes? Ready to embark on a delightful journey through the flavors of the past? Look no further than Baking Yesteryear, the best recipes from the 1900s to the 1980s by b.dylan Hollis. This unique cookbook takes you on a time-traveling adventure, exploring the best and, yes, even a few of the worst baking recipes from the 20th century. Meet the talented author, Dylan, who has scoured antique cookbooks to curate the most delicious and intriguing recipes for your baking pleasure. Join us on a culinary journey through the decades, from the 1900s to the 1970s, as we bake up forgotten greats like chocolate potato cake and avocado pie. Dylan's larger-than-life personality and comedic puns add a pinch of fun to your baking adventures. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with treats like 1900s cornflake macaroons, 1950s tomato soup cake, and more. With 101 expertly curated recipes, Baking Yesteryear is your go-to guide for nostalgic baking. Don't miss out on the sweetest journey through time. Grab your copy of Baking Yesteryear, the best recipes from the 1900s to the 1980s, and start baking your way through history today. Thank you for tuning in. Stay tuned for our next book.